A class in C# is like a blueprint. It defines what properties and behaviors an object should have. An object is the actual item created based on that blueprint. Think of a class as the design of a car and the object as the specific car you drive. In our example, car is the class and my car is the object created from that class. In C sharp, an interface is like a contract. It only defines method or property signatures without any implementation. An abstract class can have both abstract and concrete members. It can also include fields and constructors. Use an interface when you want to ensure certain methods are implemented. Use an abstract class when you want to provide some shared functionality along with the abstract behavior. In C sharp, value types hold the actual value and are stored on the stack. When you assign one value type to another, it creates a copy. Reference types, on the other hand, store a reference to the actual object on the heap. Assigning a reference type just copies the reference, so both variables point to the same object. In C sharp, equal and dot equals may look similar, but they behave differently. The equal operator compares value types by their value and reference types by memory address unless it is overridden. Dot equals is a method used to compare the contents or logical equality of objects, and you can override it in your classes to define custom equality. Boxing and unboxing are used to convert between value types and reference types. Boxing wraps a value type inside an object, storing it on the heap. Unboxing extracts the value type from the object. While it adds flexibility, boxing and unboxing can hurt performance due to memory and processing overhead. In C sharp, constant, read only, and static serve different purposes. A constant is fixed at a compile time. It can't be changed. A read only field can be set at a declaration or inside the constructor, allowing runtime assignment. A static member belongs to the class itself, so all instances share the same value. You will often use static fields for counters or shared configuration values. In C sharp, access modifiers help protect your code by defining what can be accessed from where. Use private for internal class details, public for methods or properties meant to be called externally, and protected when building inheritance. Internal keeps things within the same assembly, and combinations like protected internal offer more controlled visibility. In C sharp, string is immutable, meaning any change creates a new string in memory. That's why For heavy string operations like building text in loops, you should use string builder, which is mutable and efficient. A char is an array of characters handy when you need to access or manipulate individual letters. When handling exceptions in C Sharp, if you want to rethrow the same exception, use just throw. It preserves the original stack trace and points to where the error actually happened. Using throw ex resets the stack trace, making debugging difficult because the origin of the error is lost. So, always prefer throw when rethrowing. In C Sharp, the virtual keyword allows a method to be overridden. In the derived class, use override to provide a new version of the method. The new keyword, on the other hand, hides the base class method. It creates a new method unrelated to the base version. Use override when extending behavior and new when replacing it.